In this lesson, we will learn the principal square root, but we first need to learn a square root. A square root of a number n is a number x such that x square will be n. That means if you multiply x twice, you will get back n. Every positive number n has two square roots. One is positive, another one is negative. For example, n equals to 9 has two square root, x equals to positive 3 and x equals to negative 3. Why positive 3? Because if you plug x equals to positive 3 in this equation, so it will be 3 square, that means 3 times 3, which is 9. So you are getting back n equals to 9. Why x equals to negative 3? Because if you plug x equals to negative 3 again in this equation, you are getting back 9. The principal square root is the positive one. The radical sign, this is the radical sign, is used to denote the principal square root. So in our example, the principal square root of 9 will be positive 3. And we write square root of 9 equals to 3. Let's take another example. So n equals to 16 has two square root, x equals to positive 4 and x equals to negative 4. So if you plug x equals to positive 4, then you are getting 16, this n equals to 16. And if you plug x equals to negative 4, so you are getting back again n equals to 16. And the principal root of 16 will be the positive one, that means positive 4, and we write square root of 16 equals to 4. Now the question is, when do we use both positive and negative roots? The simple answer is algebra. Let's think we need to solve this equation. So this is a quadratic equation, that means it has two x values. So you can write x equals to plus minus square root of 9, and the value of square root of 9 is positive 3. Okay, the principal root of square root of 9 is positive 3, and if you multiply the sign, you will get plus minus 3. The answer will be both positive 3 and negative 3. Again, when do we use only positive roots? The answer is distance problem. Like in this problem, this is a right angle triangle. This side is 3, this is 4, and this is x that we need to determine. So if you use Pythagorean theorem in this right angle triangle, you can write x square equals to 3 square plus 4 square. So it will be x square equals to 25, and you can write x equals to plus minus square root of 25, and the principal square root of 25 is positive 5, and if you multiply the sign, you will get plus minus 5. But the answer will be only positive 5, not negative 5. Why? Because this is the distance. X is the distance, and distance can never be negative. The designation the square root of a number refers only the principal square root. Like if a problem asks you to find square root, like this one, square root of 36 will be positive 6. Similarly, square root of 49 will be positive 7. And how about this one? So this negative sign comes here, and square root of 49, its value is positive 7, and if you multiply the sign, you are getting negative 7. Now if a problem asks you to solve for x, like this one, so it has two x values. So you can write x equals to plus minus square root of 36, and the value of square root of 36 is positive 6, and if you multiply the sign, you are getting plus minus 6. So answer is both plus 6 and negative 6. Similarly, the solution for this problem will be plus minus 7. How about this one? So x square equals to negative 49. So you can write x equals to plus minus square root of negative 49. But this is not a real number. This is a complex number. So there is no real solution for this problem. Thanks for watching.